Hi everyone, today I am going to share my views on Dot and Key Ceramides and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Plus Repair Face Cream. It has pH of 5.5 and it has probiotic and rice water. It is fragrance free barrier boosting cream for normal to dry and sensitive skin, but my skin is very oily and I am using it. It says it is intense moisturizing, it has 5 essential ceramides and it repairs and soothes. The best thing about this brand is it is an Indian brand and it is vegan and cruelty free, and above all it is budget friendly. It is an intense moisturizing face cream with healing superpowers and hyaluronic acid and 5 essential ceramides to fortify your skin's protective barrier, nourishes, comforts and soothes skin to relieve dryness and itchiness for softer and healthy skin. The price of this moisturizer is $3.95, but you can get always in sale. There is always sale going on website, its website as well, and on Nykaa as well, so you can get it. So let's talk about this moisturizer. The best thing about this moisturizer is it is compatible with all active ingredients. It does not gonna react with them. So first let me explain about my skin type. My skin type is very oily and I have very acne prone skin. So the good thing about this moisturizer is it did not break me out. It is not at all sticky. ये skin में बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है and it hydrates the skin from within. I have used it in a day as well as in night just to check how it works. It doesn't make my skin oily. It absorbs quickly so well so that I have not applied anything. It's just been 1.5 months I have been using this and it has satisfied my skin needs. कभी कभी मेरी स्किन बैरियर कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जाती है, उसमें जलन होती है, ड्राइनेस होती है, and I apply this and next morning my skin looks just perfect and healed. So for me this moisturizer is 5 out of 5, a must buy. Here I want to give you a pro tip. Always apply moisturizer on damp skin or body. It will give you more hydration than usual. So as you can see, it is all blended and it is looking very smooth, non oily, not sticky at all. So this is very good for oily skin, especially in winter.